Who is a data analyst? A data analyst is someone who is responsible for collecting, organizing, and analyzing data to provide insights and inform decision-making in an organization. Data analysts typically use statistical analysis, data visualization, and other techniques to extract meaningful insights from data and then communicate their findings to stakeholders through reports, dashboards, and other forms of data visualization. Data analysts may work in a variety of industries, including finance, healthcare, marketing, and technology, and may be responsible for analyzing data from a wide range of sources, including databases, social media, and sensor data. How to get a job in data analysis. There are several steps you can take to improve your chances of finding a job in data analysis. 1. Obtain a degree or certificate in a related field, such as computer science, mathematics, or statistics. 2. Gain experience by completing internships or working on personal projects. 3. Build a strong foundation in programming languages such as Python or R, as well as statistical analysis and visualization tools. 4. Develop strong communication and problem-solving skills, as these are important for working with clients and translating data insights into actionable recommendations. 5. Create a compelling resume and cover letter highlighting your skills and experiences. 6. Network with professionals in the field and consider joining professional organizations or associations. 7. Look for job openings at companies that are hiring data analysts and consider applying. 8. Be open to entry-level or junior positions, as these can be a good way to gain. What software or tools used in data analysis? There are many different software and tools that can be used for data analysis, and the best one for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Some of the most popular options include 1. Excel. This is a spreadsheet program that is commonly used for data analysis. It has a number of built-in functions and features that make it easy to analyze and visualize data. 2. Google Sheets. This is a cloud-based spreadsheet program that is similar to Excel. It is free to use and has many of the same features as Excel. 3. R. This is a programming language and software environment for statistical computing and graphics. It is popular among data scientists and researchers for its powerful and comprehensive set of tools for data analysis. 4. Python. This is a programming language that is widely used for data analysis. It has a large and active community of users, which means there are many libraries and tools available for data analysis. 5. SAS. This is a commercial software suite that is commonly used for data analysis in business and industry. It has a wide range of tools for data manipulation, visualization, and statistical analysis. 6. SPSS. This is another commercial software suite that is commonly used for data analysis. It has a user-friendly interface and a wide range of tools for statistical analysis, data visualization, and data management. 7. Tableau. This is a data visualization tool that is widely used by businesses and organizations to analyze and understand their data. It has a user-friendly interface and a range of interactive visualization options.